Assalamu alaikum. Imamdin Chand is here. I am chemistry lecturer at EPSEC Badin. आज हम पढ़ेंगे पहला चैप्टर क्लास 9th फिजिकल स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर. सो व्हाट इज़ मैटर? एनीथिंग हैविंग मास एंड ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस इज़ नोन एज अ मैटर. कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जिसके पास मास हो और स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करती हो उसको हम कहते हैं मैटर कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल चेयर, बुक, पेन etc. सो चेयर, बुक और पेन को उसको जो है ना मास भी होता है और स्पेस भी ऑक्यूपाई करती है. एक्चुअली देर आर थ्री स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर: सॉल्ट, लिक्विड एंड गैस. वाई देर आर थ्री स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर? There are three states of matter due to intermolecular force of attraction between molecule and compound. So in case of solid, the particles are tightly packed, while in case of liquid, the particles are not tightly packed as compared to solid state. While in case of gaseous state, so particles are away from each other because of having lesser force of attraction. So there are three states of matter. One by one we will discuss here. Solid state, it is a state of matter having fixed volume and fixed shape. In case of solid state, particles are tightly packed with each other. Due to tightly packing of particle, they have fixed shape and fixed volume. For example, wood, glass, salt, plastic. Another state of matter is liquid state. Liquid state, it is a state of matter having fixed volume but not fixed shape. Why? Because in case of liquid state, particles are not tightly packed, so they have not fixed shape. In case of liquid state, they can move from one place to another place due to having lesser force of attraction between the molecule. In case of liquid state, the liquid particle take the shape of their container in which we put the liquid. For example, milk, oil, honey, water, etc. Gaseous state, it is a state of matter which has not definite volume and not definite shape. Why? Because in case of gaseous state, the particles are away from each other. Due to being away from each other, the intermolecular force of attraction between these particles is not greater as compared to liquid as well as solid. So they have not definite volume and definite shape. For example, air, oxygen and water vapors. There are some sort of typical properties of the gaseous state. One is diffusion. So as we also discussed, in case of liquid, they can move from one place to another place, but they have a moving ability is lesser as compared to gaseous state. Because in case of gaseous state, so particles are away from each other. They have ability to move from one place to another place. What is mean by diffusion? It is movement of the substance from area of high concentration to the area of लो कंसनट्रेशन. डिफ्यूजन एक ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी है जिस गैसेस स्टेट में जिसकी वजह से पार्टिकल्स मूव करते हैं फ्रॉम एरिया ऑफ हाई कंसनट्रेशन टू द एरिया ऑफ लो कंसनट्रेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, spreading of perfume in a room. Spreading of perfume in a room, it is also said to be a diffusion, because in case of when we spread the perfume, it covers whole room. So means it is spread from area of high concentration to the area of low concentration. Another property of the gaseous state is effusion. Effusion is opposite of the diffusion. What is mean by effusion? Effusion is escape of the gas molecule through a tiny hole without collision. ये एक ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी है गैसेस स्टेट की जिसकी वजह से गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स मूव करते हैं छोटे से होल से कोलियन के बगैर. सो दैट प्रॉपर्टी इज सेड टू बी effusion. फॉर एग्जांपल, escaping of air from a tire pinhole or simply puncturing of tire. When tire is punctured, the air rushes out from a tiny hole. That is said to be as a simply effusion. Thank you so much.